Hi everyone, Marika here with another coloring video for the 30-day coloring challenge. Today is day 10. I continue to play with the whole herd stamp set, and today I'm coloring a hen because hens are adorable and cute. At least this one. She's really adorable. I have made her white and brown, and I have chosen to go with the same grays that I've been using all throughout this challenge. These images are actually gonna match pretty good and gonna be able to maybe put together some kind of scene with them if that happened. As you might have seen in my first video, I didn't really do anything with my last coloring, but I'm using the ends for the grey, and I'm actually being a little bit better at it, I must say, this time, to get more of a white effect. I'm being very sparingly using the greys, trying to keep more white seen through, so bigger percentage of the hen is actually white. And also I'm only doing one layer. If you're working on smaller characters, you don't always need to use multiple layers. As you can see here, I also go in with my lightest gray on those kind of reflective light, rim light lines, because I thought the white was a little bit too stark. I made her a little bit softer by going in with the lightest color. That wasn't the colorless blender. Then I took some yellows for her beak and feet, and you really don't need two colors, but I wanted to see if I could get just a teensy tiny bit of shadowing on her beak and on her feet. So I went in with a little bit of a darker orange on the sides of her beaks, and just on the upper part of a leg, like the body would kind of shade those parts. The lighting I'm going after this time is actually from the front, because I thought she was pretty much facing the front, so I wanted to have the light source in the front, which means that I try to keep a balance in the shading, so I have about the same amount of shading on both sides of her. And kind of letting the meat in the middle to be the kind of lighter part at the middle. I then just picked a couple of browns to make kind of a reddish brown color for her head. I don't think I'm using this brown anywhere else, not so far anyhow. So just kind of a mid-tone, a little bit of a reddish, something like that, because I thought it was a very hen brown. And for the last color I'm using is R24 for her comb. Do you call it comb? We call it a comb. Then I'm using the black gel liner for her eyes and the white gel liner to make a little bit of a shine on her beak and on her comb. I thought that the feathers would be a little bit more matte, so I didn't want to add any shine on those. And that's the coloring done for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Down below you will have all the details, and there you can have the comment section if you want to comment anything. If you like it, please thumbs up, it means a lot to me, and if you want to subscribe, that would mean the world. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.